Hey everybody, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a video of how you should be properly cleaning your tufting gun or aka oiling your gun. So I'm giving you guys a POV so you guys can see where exactly you should be cleaning, but I get all the way up in here. Ignore my brush. This is my kind of go-to one. I have a bunch of them ordered, but you'll go through these brushes quite quickly. But you're pretty much cleaning up the bars. As you can see, before I did that, there's a bunch of goop. I don't think you'll be able to see much because I did get it. Actually, you can right in there. But that's pretty much what I'm trying to do, is clean up, get all that out of there. And then I also even get into the tip just to clean it up. Now, I personally like to flip it over. Make sure, again, cleaning down there, clean there. So like I said, you're cleaning the bars. That's the best way to describe it, is you want to get all those nicely clean. Now there will be some spots that they're gonna have still some particles, not much. I don't like to use the spray, the dust spray. Preferably, I just don't want to do that. This is a different way you can just do it, is just take a brush. This is a regular brush from Amazon. I will link them down in the description below. But again, just clean up, just make sure there's no dust balls. I do need to change mine out because it's getting pretty nasty. The only reason I did put this one out is if there's a spot that is a little bit harder to get to, I will utilize this one. But as you've seen, don't need to. So we'll just put that off to the side. Now, when oiling, this is oil that I personally use. There is another one you can also use. I can link it below. I will put a picture over there of what it is as well. But pretty much, so this oil here, I use it on my industrial machines. I have a bunch of embroidery industrial machines, sewing machines, stuff like that. This is perfect for anything that's mechanical. I find this is actually really nice. I will link this also from Amazon, the link down in the description. I think I actually got this from my sewing company that I have bought my machines through, but this stuff is amazing. So a little bit goes a long way if I can get the thing to open. It is, as you can tell, pretty good cap on it. So I make sure I get some up here. Whoop, as my rings get stuck. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring you guys in at a little bit different angle here. But get a little bit on that one. A little bit there. Then, you see how you have your 4 bars? So, I do try to oil mine a little bit differently. But pretty much what you want to do, get some oil in there. The other side. And then, again, I'm going to lay this part down so I don't drop my gun. But you guys get the idea of what I'm talking about. It's pretty much oiling your bars. So a lot of people think oh, you oil too much. Here's my thing. I would rather, honestly, over oil than under oil. I want my machine to last. This is an Amazon Tufting gun, so it is nothing special. so I don't expect it to last forever, but I'm going to make it last. So oil is on there. Flip her back over here. Let's go ahead and turn her on. I always crank it up, make sure it's on full blast. Turn it back down. Now we're good. All oiled up. So that gives you guys a good idea where to clean, how to oil it up. So as long as you keep doing that, better off you are. I recommend you do that every single use, just because you don't want it to go bad. I see a spot that's going to bug me while I talk to you guys. But more you can oil it, better off you are. So it's a mechanical item. It's like your engine. You got to keep oil in it for it to run longer and hopefully last longer. You want clean oil in it, blah, 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 blah. So, again, if you guys have any questions, comments, curious about how to do something, go ahead and comment below. If you liked this video or this video was very helpful for you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, remember, if you would like, you can go ahead and hit that like button too at the same time, and the bell to get notifications when I go ahead and post new videos. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Kat with Rugs by Tattooed Princess. Have a good day, have a good week, have the good rest of the month, hopefully the rest of your year as well. Thank you, everybody.